profit center is a part of a business which is expected to make an identifiable contribution to the organization's profits. Spire allows you to set profit center codes as segments on general ledger accounts, which can be used or reallocated to different revenue and cost of sales accounts when posting invoices, in order to separate amounts on financial statements. The first step in setting up profit center usage is to access company settings. And in the General Ledger section, ensure that on the Segments tab that your account structure has a segment reserved for profit center selection. Assign the segment name to be Profit Center or something else similar to identify this function. Then on the Codes tab, choose the Profit Center list and create a separate code and description for each profit center you wish to maintain. Add or edit profit center codes, which can be used as account segment values when sales transactions are posted. Then on the General tab, ensure that the profit center segment is allocated to the desired account segment. The next step is to create accounts or allocations in your General Ledger for revenue and cost of sales accounts that recognize these profit center codes as account segment values. If you print separate financial statements that are selected by profit center, account numbers would need to exist with profit center values in the segment, in conjunction with location segments where appropriate. If you want to include amounts on separate lines of the same financial statement with different account numbers, you can instead create allocations for those accounts, entered here with the profit center segment. When sales invoices are posted, amounts will be redirected to one or more other accounts identified here. Generally speaking, you would choose one method or the other to handle profit center reporting, rather than some combination of both, to ensure consistent and complete results in your reports. Items can be configured to post to revenue and cost of sales accounts through sales departments with profit center segment values, if you want these accounts to always be updated regardless of other information on the sales order. Or you can just assign the base revenue and cost of sales accounts on an item, so that the profit center is determined through selection on sales. When it comes time to processing an invoice, on the sales order main screen, if you have user security rights allowed, select the profit center code that pertains to this sale. This assigns the profit center account segment value for posted revenue and cost of sales for the entire invoice, except for items configured to post to a specific profit center. The chosen profit center is not yet reflected in the accounts displayed on inventory item details. When posting the invoice and the associated accounting, either on account or with a payment included, revenue and cost of sales accounts with the profit center segment are determined. If the inclusion of the profit center account segment matches an existing account, this will be used for posting. If the inclusion of the profit center account segment matches a reallocation account, the redirected account will be used for posting. Items with the profit center specifically configured will not be overwritten by the one chosen on the order. And if no account or allocation that uses this profit center has been defined, then posting will revert to the base account. When locations are used on sales invoices, then different revenue and cost of sales accounts are determined with the respective location segment, along with the profit center segment. If the combination exists as an account, it can be posted to, either directly or reallocated elsewhere. If the account does not exist with both segment values, then posting will update accounts where the segment is populated, rather than creating new accounts that use those segments. When it comes time to printing financial statement reports, you can choose a specific profit center in order to select only those transactions that have accounts with that profit center in the segment. For reports such as an income statement, this allows you to see the revenue and expenses and net income for that profit center only, if this is how you do your financials. Alternatively, when posted invoice amounts are redirected from allocation accounts with profit center segments to other accounts, you do not choose a profit center when printing financial statements. When reports such as an income statement are printed, all accounts will be listed with their respective amounts, whether they were posted to directly or reallocated, and whether or not the account contains a profit center segment. If you would like more information about Spire accounting, access the link in the description below to our homepage. Read the online manual help for additional assistance. Watch more videos from this playlist, and subscribe to the Spire YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.